Mana is speaking with her partner, Bester. This is probably the first time they've seen each other since these arrests. They are sitting next to each other in the dark.
So, Mzansi's very own Bonnie and Clyde, Dr. Nandipha Thabo and her criminal lover, Thabo Bester, appeared in court today. The two lovers were reunited for the first time at the Bloemfontein Magistrate Court after they were arrested in Tanzania and brought back into the country in April after they had fled the country. Well, Twitter was set ablaze today as people couldn't help but notice how smitten Dr. Nandipha was to see the love of her life, Thabo Bester, for the very first time. Well, they were both smitten to see each other and very happy, actually, I must say. Pictures of the two holding hands in court have been shared across social media, and people were saying that Dr. Nandipha looked very much happily in love with Thabo Bester and that she does not look like she had been forced by him to do the things that she had done when she was with him, you guys. So people on Twitter specifically has had this to say. No matter how single you are, you cannot be spoiling the sort of love Dr. Nandipha and Thabo Bester have. Their crimes makes everything about them disgusting. Dr. Nandipha scares me. It's so wild how she feels so comfortable around that artist and murderer. Adoring Nandipha and Bester's little romance in court is not a little weird. Isn't it a little weird to y'all? I mean, people died. Pagamani, my therapist, and please explain to us about this love we see between Nandipha and Thabo. What kind of love is this? Well, there you have it, guys. Please do engage with me in the comment section below. Also, do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so. Also, like and share this video, guys. I will definitely see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.